So if you're thinking about spending your money on TALA, then just watch this first.
You'll be doing things you don't like doing in order to go on living, that is, to go on doing things you don't like doing, which is stupid.
So guess what Imogen's just done? She's recorded her whole intro, her 4-minute intro, and the mic wasn't connected properly, so it's not recorded any audio. Oh, I hate it when that happens. Okay, so let's try again. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video today, and today I've got a massive TALA haul. I am so excited for this because 1, it's vegan friendly, 2, it's sustainable, 3, it's eco-friendly, and 5, it's just really cute. But I'm going to go into depth to do with like the quality of the washing, I was going to say return washing, no, repeat washing, the quality of the repeat washing on the clothes, the sizing. I'm going to go into depth. So if you're thinking about spending your money on TALA, then just watch this first. I just basically did a whole intro on the fact that I've been having really bad weird dreams lately, and I'm really tired. I've got a headache, but I've just drank a whole coffee, so I'm hoping the headache goes. Maybe it's because I've not had a coffee, I don't know. I don't even know if that makes any sense at all, but I'm going to go for it anyway. I've got myself a green tea as well, because I'm a greedy pig. Shall I tell you my dream? Keep on having really weird dreams. And one of my dreams the other night was basically we got chased by a kangaroo, and the people in my dream were all the people that I went to school with that I've not seen in years, and then Liam was in it as well, but then we got split up while we were being chased by a kangaroo, and I couldn't find him anywhere, and I was panicking, and I was on my own, and it was really scary.
So I ended up getting on this roof, and I was like crawling away from this massive kangaroo, and then kept running and trying to find Liam, and then I ended up stumbling across an old manky phone case, and that belonged to Liam. So I knew that was a sign. That was a sign from him. He left it there on purpose to be like, this way, you're on the right track. You know. Anyway, and that's all I can remember, so it's a bit of an anticlimax really. I'm not sure why I just told you that story, but there we go.
Sat here with a green tea. Right, so to start off with, these are part of the original range, the grey leggings. I really like the fit of these. When I first ever tried them on, I wasn't sure about them just because of the length. Because you know how they come in 2 different lengths. I'm pretty sure I'm like 5'1", 5'1" and a bit. And so I have to fold them up slightly. I actually prefer the fact that I can roll them up just one, because I think they look quite cool rolled up slightly. These I believe were 35. They literally stay where exactly here. So when you're running, you know those leggings that tend to ride down, I find that so annoying, and you keep on having to hoik them up. You don't get that with these. These are literally suck you in all the right places. They're super comfortable as well. And when I first got these, I got them in a size medium. When I first picked them up, I was like, there's no way that is gonna get over these thighs and this ass. Let me tell you, they are stretchy. They are so stretchy. Make sure you get to know the washing label. Why can I not speak? I can't speak. The washing label, because I put these on a wash with the rest of my TALA stuff, and I really hate to say this, I've only worn these for the past, well, I got these in the launch, so how long is that, like 2 months ago? So obviously they've been washed, but they haven't been washed loads and loads and loads, and I've found the inside of them have got slightly bobbly, And I think that's because I didn't pay attention to the washing label, and the washing label says, I'm pretty sure it says hand wash only. Let me have a look. Hand wash only. So stupid Imogen didn't do what the label said, and that's my fault. I love the fact that basically the labeling is like this. So it's like actually on the t-shirt. I hate when you have labels like sticking into you, especially when you're working out. You do not want plastic labels sticking into you. The bobbling, this is what I'm on about. Can you see? That I think is because of the washing machine. It says on the website how many bottles each product is made out of. So it's like made out of a certain amount of plastic bottles, which is insane. It's amazing. The tags that actually come on the garments, you can actually plant them. So you can just stick them in your plant and it's compostable, so it will grow. What else? Oh, all of the packaging around the products are fully recyclable and made out of recycled stuff as well. Anyway, so moving on to the next item. Yeah, you'll see a running theme in this. I usually get like black workout stuff or like different colours, but I really wanted the grey range because I just loved how it looked on the models. So let's try this on. I honestly love this crop top. This I think is my favourite piece from the range. I have to roll them up slightly. I did get this in medium. I wish I'd have got a small, but they didn't have one when I purchased it. You can also zip this up fully, and it's got a lockable thingy here so that it stops. So if you wanted it, like if you've got bigger boobies, you can actually lock it in place. It honestly feels so good. It's really super high quality. The material is nice and thick, so it sucks you all in. I have taken the pads out of this because it's just been in the wash, but it comes with little pads that you can take out, removable pads. Personally, when I'm doing like weightlifting and stuff, I don't wear a bra underneath this. I just have the pads in. If I'm doing cardio, I tend to wear the other little bra that keeps me in place. It's really super supportive. I don't personally feel like I need to wear a bra. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. But I suppose if you've got bigger boobies, then you probably might need to. Yeah, super high quality. Again, this is a medium. I feel like I could have dropped down to a small, but this is also perfect sizing as well. Did I tell you what size these were? I got these in a medium. I am normally a size 12 on bottom and sort of like a size 8, 10 on top. Sometimes I'm a 14 on bottom. It depends where I go to. If it's jeans, definitely 14. So most of this stuff has just come out of the wash, and these are not yet dry. They're still a bit wet, so they don't feel the greatest. Yeah, so these are the shorts. And I just want to say, I usually do not like myself in shorts. I usually feel like I'm an absolute potato in them. But these, when they're fully dry, not when they're wet like this, I really like wearing these shorts. I feel super confident in them. They fit really nicely. These are a size medium again, same as the leggings. And they're really comfy as well. And again, if you're doing like cardio, they stay in place, don't move at all. They're seamless. They've got nice contour. So that might actually look like it's see-through. It's not, it's the contour of the seam. I don't know if you can see it. High. You can, I've seen girls like fold them down as well. Yeah, I really like them though. So this is the size small, and this is what I mean by like I feel like I could have got the other crop in a size small. Like this is super like fitted, and it really sucks me in, and I feel like I would have liked the other crop in a size small just to really like suck me in, because obviously you want to feel supported when you're at the gym. So that's why I've kind of sized down in this, because I feel really supported. I've taken out the padding of this because again it was in the wash, but usually it has padding in. Obviously it's removable though. That's how it looks on the back. Super cute. Yeah, I just really like the way it feels on my body. Okay, this is from, you know, that Neon range, and I'm absolutely gutted because I put this in the washing machine. I've literally worn this once, and that the only reason I wore it was to do a Instagram video. So I haven't even worn it out yet. And already, can you see that bobbly bit there? Bobbly bit there. There's a bobbly bit there. The material has gone like dodgy. And also, the dye from this has like ran. You probably won't be able to tell because of my lights, but it's gone. It was literally, when I got it, crisp white, like Daz white, and now it's like, because this, I think this has ran into this, it's just gone like a mucky white, and I'm absolutely gutted because I haven't even worn it out, and this was 25 or 28 pounds, and it's already, I'm honestly so gutted about that. That's the main thing that I'm gutted about. It's like a racer back. Really cute. I had to get one of these because this is in the limited collection, and I just loved the design. I loved the TALA bit. Although the actual wording, I don't know if you can see, but it's already gone like bitty, like it's gonna come out. I don't know. This cropped hoodie, oh my god, I love it so much. This cropped hoodie is so comfortable. It's so soft and cozy, and it's nice and thick, and it comes to a really nice length. Like, I don't know about you, but a lot of my hoodies I've had to crop and cut, but I feel like this is a really nice length. I just love it. I love it so much, and I love the lines. So cute. This is really oversized. This I got in an extra small, and obviously I'm not normally an extra small, but you can see it's super oversized. The only reason I didn't get a small is because they didn't have any in stock. I was gonna get a small, but I'm kind of glad I didn't now, because the extra small is like perfect for me. Yeah, I love this, and 100% I think it's worth 35 quid. The quality matches the price, if that makes sense. Like, I feel like I would pay a tiny bit more elsewhere for the quality, if that makes sense. I feel like Grace has done a good job basically at making sure that the products are like affordable but then high quality. I feel like when I compare it to Gymshark is more expensive, and sometimes the quality isn't as good. That's just my opinion. I would have got these shorts. I'm sorry, I don't know why I'm saying sorry, because I'm bloated. Imogen, you're going crazy. I feel really bloated now, hence why I've got a bit of a blow. I'm not pregnant. I just get bloated because I've got endometriosis. And yeah, I blow and then I look like I'm pregnant, but I'm actually not pregnant, so that's fun. But yeah, I just thought I'd let you know that. Okay, I really need to take off this wet TALA stuff now. I should have just waited until the dry, but I really wanted to get this video up today, so I had to film it now. Let me know in the comments what item is your favourite, and if you would actually spend money on TALA. Do you think it's worth it or not? I would love to know, and don't forget to go to my Instagram. I've done loads of video content over there, so if you like seeing video content rather than still images, definitely check that out. And I'm getting all out of breath. Oh my god, my anxiety. Thanks for watching. If you made it this far, then I love you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.